Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. With summer temperatures on the rise, you may need to install that window air conditioner. Let me show you how. Window air conditioners best fit in a double hung or single hung window like this that opens vertically. Any window like a casement window that cranks out or has a slider, these type of air conditioners don't fit well because you'll need to fill in the gap. If you have a storm window, you may need to remove the screen or slide open the lower window. When installing an air conditioner, you want to make sure that it's level, and you may need to have blocking either in the front or on the back side of the air conditioner, depending on the situation. Typically, a 2x4 works well for that. I made a special block for this situation here. Fits right in every year. Before moving forward with this, grab some peel and stick weather stripping, apply it to the blocking or your windowsill and the underside of your window. Now it's time to put the air conditioner in the window. Some of these air conditioners are heavy. You may need a helper. This one's kind of light. With the window open, lift the air conditioner unit into the window opening and centering it in the opening. Lower the window down on top of the air conditioner, holding it in place. Expand the wings on the air conditioner to close the gap on each side. If you don't mind putting holes into the window, secure the wings of the air conditioner to the face of your window. If you need to run an extension cord, be sure you get yourself an air conditioner cord or appliance cord to plug it in. And always plug it into a grounded outlet. That's it, air conditioner installed. Have a cool summer. For more tips like this, head over to familyhandyman.com.